Sara Duterte has officially lost it again. Vice President Sara Duterte has once again made a mockery of Philippine politics. At a recent press conference regarding her proposed budget for 2025, where she was being accused of corruption by members of the Congress, she responded by holding her own press conference. She somehow managed to make shocking statements, including saying,
Imagine myself cutting his head.
"This is particularly interesting, given that Sara Duterte and President Marcos Jr. was allies during the 2022 election. They ran together, claiming to represent unity. And yet now, they're tearing each other apart, dragging the entire nation into their mess."
For another instance, did you know that the Senate Finance Committee approved the 2.3 billion budget for the Office of the Vice President for 2025? Additionally, there have been reports that the receipts from the Vice President Office contained incorrect dates and were repeated across multiple records. Lemon has
Ay ilang mga libro ng isang kaibigan ay bibilihin at i-distribute at
Senator Antiveros a copy so that she will know what is the content of the...
paulit-ulit na this is politicizing. Ang VP ang nagbanggit ng salitang boboto. Wala akong sinabing boboto.
At napansin niyo ba, na hindi niya masagot ng mga tama ang binabatong tanong sa kanya. Ngunit, kapag sasagutin niya, hindi ito tumutugma. At ang mga simpleng tanong sa Torita tungkol sa ritmo ni VP Sara Duterte ay hindi niya maisagot. Bakit natin nahalo na ganitong tao nagpapatakbo sa ating bansa?
Budget hearing po ito. Hindi po lahat about you. Pera po ito ng taong bayan.
Tama si Senator Risa. Pera ng taong bayan ang usapan dito. Pero ang pinaghirapang bayaran ng bawat mamamayan. Remember the confidential funds? Wherein she spent 125 million in just a span of 11 days.
Kung sino man ang kumukontra sa confidential funds ay kumukontra sa kapayapaan. Kung sino ang kumukontra sa kapayapaan ay kalaban ng bayan.
Pero ang tanong ng bawat mamamayan, saan na nga ba napunta ang 125 million na confidential funds?
Person who has ability to take accountability for their action is a person who has character. The nerve to throw a flying kiss to the media and walk out after spending taxpayers' money shows that she is aware of her actions and doing it intentionally.
Eksakto. Ibig sabihin, ipakita niya ang kanyang professionalism sa paid ng mga taong namumuhay sa kahirapan. It shows na pinag-aaruan niya lang ito. At saka sinabi niya na mapapadali daw ang trabaho nila kapag may confidential funds. Ngunit, hindi nga natin alam kung saan napunta ang 125 million pesos